Misty fog, birding detective. What's a lover without a love? A mother without a moth? A birder without a bird? Misty fog, birding detective. It seems I'm becoming bird now. They've got me up in a tree over the Chicago River. It's going to be a long, cold, lonely Chicago winter. With nothing but coats, hats, scarves, gloves, and leg warmers to keep me warm. The birds are all flying south. What mysteries will there be for me to discover? What will I watch? What's a birder without birds? A lover without love? A mother without a moth? A birder without a bird? I must become bird.